What do I think of the carnivore diet? Fantastically good. Okay. But you've got to do this caveat on it. Okay. The animal products that you eat have to be healthy animals. We have a huge problem with our food supply in America. Unless you're eating grass-fed, hormone-free, range-free, normal, healthy meats that your great-great-grandparents would recognize, fantastic. But a lot of our meats are injected with hormones. They're injected with antibiotics. They're fed antibiotics. There's a couple of studies that I can't talk about, really, that they're using. It's called BT corn in animal feeds, and that's been found in umbilical cords. It's been found in it. So there's a lot of toxins in the concentrated animal feeding operations that we have. But if you're using healthy animal products, you can live very, very healthy on it. I personally don't like it. Healthy animal products are fantastic if that's your lifestyle. Great. And then healthy vegetables to get the nutrients. But the carnivore diet is excellent to get people over the edge. It's absolutely fantastic. We recommend, because it's hard to get when you're in a chronic state of stress. It's hard to get the amino acids, which is the building products that you're getting from the proteins, to build a healthy body. It's easier to cleave the amino acids from plants. This is why we recommend plants when somebody's in a stress state to recover from. But for normal, healthy people, carnivore diet's very, very effective.